Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
祖玛哥呀，
让我们加入客家风情，学习实用客语。
Hi, welcome back to Talk About Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 好，大家好，我係美甲。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Josephine。我们这个月好像 focus 在很多这种跟农历有关的一些节
庆
啊。那接下来呢，这个元宵节完了之后，下一个应该就是端午节了。
对，龙舟啊，立蛋啊。
Dragon Boat Festival will be the next lunar holiday coming up. 月节 which literally translates to the celebration of May， 就是又是用
5月
对这个月份来命名了哈。过了端午节呢，就正式要进入夏天喽。After Dragon Boat Festival, it's officially summertime.
月节過啊鐵，
月節過啊鐵，
真緊秋係熱天咧。
真緊秋係熱天呢。不過端午節當天呢，當然要划龍舟、吃粽子，還有玩那個立蛋啊，都還不錯 ，right? On Dragon Boat Festival, there are a lot of things to do, including Dragon Boat races, eating 粽子, as well as the egg balance.
月節愛爬龍船，
月節愛爬龍船，
失蹤誒，韓國企亂，立蛋站着。
Okay, the egg balance is actually something worth trying. It actually does work. Well, let's review some of the phrases that are brought up, and I think we should just go ahead and teach you again how to say those things you do during Dragon Boat Fest. 我觉得要蕊的就是，这个端午节要做的一些活动啦，包括刚刚讲的划龙舟、
爬龍船。
Again, that's the Dragon Boat race. You got to eat rice dumplings, 粽子。And then play with the egg balance, 也就是立蛋。
企亂。
Those are things you can do on Dragon Boat Fest. Thank you so much for listening.
什麼大家？
安子 say
張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.